Heat, in its simplest form, is the measure of how vigorous atom vibrates. When atoms within a material vibrate more rapidly, we perceive the material as a hotter. In the realm of HPDC, understanding this concept is crucial for maintaining thermal balance within the die. But there is an important point to consider. It takes time for one set of atoms to transfer their kinetic energy to the next set. Initiating the vibration motion, this is energy transfer of energy plays a vital role in thermal dynamic of HPDC die. To ensure the efficient and effective functioning of HPDC die, it's essential to strike a delicate thermal balance. This balance involves managing the heat generated during the casting process and its distribution within the die. Failure to maintain proper thermal balance can result in various issues, including uneven cooling, thermal stresses, and ultimately subpar casting qualities. Understanding the relationship between heat and atom vibration is vital in achieving thermal balance with an HPDC die. It's complex interplay that requires careful consideration and precious control to ensure optimal casting results. So, thank you for exploring the concept of thermal balance in HPDC die with us with this single slide. So, in the following videos, we will take single slide video so that you can uh, get more knowledge in a short time. So, thank you very much.